Ryand Campbell here with Campbell & Company Real Estate, standing in 608 Gray Street in Brantford. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath condominium, and it has a long list of desirable features. To name a few, we've got a new kitchen, new bathroom, new flooring. It's a ground floor unit with its own private patio with the parking space directly across from that. Very quick highway access, quick proximity to all major amenities, and located in a great location of Brantford. If you love what you've just seen and you'd like more information, please be sure to reach out to any of us here at Campbell & Company Real Estate.